We'll shift focus now to the commodity markets. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Sahai. We'll shift focus to the commodity markets and look for trades at 10. We are a tad too late. Manisha, what are you watching?
Well, I want to start the year with a glitter, Lata, and we are starting it with the gold prices, because this is the best year in a decade that the gold prices have put out in sense of gains. We are looking at nearly 18% of gains in the gold prices in the international markets, and in the Indian markets we have seen 24% of gains come in. Much of the strength really has come in on the back of US and China trade concerns, the decline in US dollar, the weak interest rate policy, and the fact that you are also looking at the US presidential elections in the next year, and that has been supportive. The uncertainty is quite a lot in the international markets, and that continues to support the gold prices. We are trading at a 3-month highs right now for gold, but it's not just about gold, because if you look at the other commodities, other precious metals, we have seen stronger gains come in for that one as well. If you look at the platinum prices, well, they also are looking at the best annual gains since 2009, 21% of gains coming in for the platinum prices also. Palladium clearly has been an outperformer. We have seen 53% of gains onto that one in 2019, and there is an expectation that you will see further gains coming in, because one, it is weakness in US dollar, two, the palladium output has been lower. It has been in deficit for third straight year, and that is what is expected in the next year as well, supporting the prices. Silver continues to be an underperformer. We have seen 18% of gains come in for the Indian markets, 15% in the US dollar terms as well for silver there. But there are buy calls continuing for all of these precious metals into the next year as well. You have reports from Goldman Sachs, CPM and Bank of America all telling you that the prices are expected to be on the higher side. $1,600 per ounce is expectation from Goldman Sachs and Bank of America. CPM expects it at $1,540. The other banks and brokerages are not so bullish on gold, but they do expect the prices to see some consolidation. $1,500 from ING Visa also. Natixis is the most bearish really. They expect the gold prices to decline below $1,400 as well. But calls is what we are getting in for 2020 now, and IndiaNivesh expects the silver prices to continue to run up. 53,800 is the target that they are putting in for the first half of 2020. They also have a buy in case of steel prices. 35,600 is their expectation onto that one as well.
Okay, thank you very much for that, Manisha. Okay, go for gold if you believe all those brokerages. Thank you very much. We have to wrap up on Bazaar, but stay tuned on Trading Ideas. We're going to start with that big CNBC TV18 exclusive.